Okay children, in the last class we will discussing about the sky. Now here are some questions, that is, which planet takes the least time to complete one revolutions around the sun? Why? It takes only less time, that is Mercury, because it is the smallest planet and it is very near to the sun. Which planet takes the most time to complete one revolutions from the sun? Why? Neptune, because it is very far away from the sun and it is the 8th planet. And another one question you have here, that is, which planet takes more time to complete one rotations than its revolutions? Venus takes the more time for one rotation than its revolutions. Here are some of the planets names, that is red planet Mars, brightest planet Venus, biggest planet Jupiter, blue-green color Uranus, only planet that has life is our planet Earth. Its days is longer than its year, that is Venus. And here is the puzzle that I have solved. You can also copy it in your textbooks. So here are the planets and we have to write the name. Children, write down the planet name according to the color, and also you can see in the solar system. Meteoroids, they are the small fragment rocks, okay, that enters the earth atmosphere and it burn up in the atmosphere due to its friction and streak, and they are called as the shooting stars. Asteroids, a small rocky celestial bodies revolving around the sun, are called as the asteroids. Most of them are located between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter, that is, in between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter it will be located. Comet. A comet is an icy body that gives out gas or the dust, as you can see here. It is an icy body. You have seen some in 76 years or the last in 1986 when comet has entered the earth and it has been just around the ground, it has been landed and it was very cool and it can be seen only at the night time. The earth satellite, the moon, a celestial body revolving around the planet, is called as the satellite. Okay, some stars that are revolving around the planets is called as the satellite. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. It revolves around the earth. Okay, what the moon will do, it revolves around the earth while the earth revolves around the sun. Movement of the moon. The moon has the two movement. One is rotation and also other is the revolution. Revolution around the earth and the rotation around its axis. This, as you can see here, this is the phase of the moon. How the moon revolves around the sun. In the moon directions we have two, that is full moon day or new moon day. That is full moon, as it revolves, half part of the earth is darkened, right? It is only half moon. When it completes its new rotations, completely dark, we call it as new moon. When we see it bright side totally, we call it as the full moon. So here are some questions. Is the shape of the visible part of the moon always the same? No. Sometimes we see full moon day, sometimes we see half moon day. On which day is the moon fully visible? And what is the day called as? It is called as the full moon. Okay. On which day is the moon not visible? Do we call that day half moon or the new moon day? Is the moon visible daily at the same place? No, it is not visible daily at the same place. It is visible at the different places. Are the stars located in the same place? No, they are also not located in the same place. Can we get a picture shape by joining the stars? We can get the picture shape. Just it is the examples of the star. Join the stars and make a picture, children. Okay, here you can see the planet, mornings and evenings, that is the month have given and some planets they have given. And also here are some categories of the table, that stars, planets and also satellite. Answer these questions. What is solar system? It is a collection of 8 planets, the moon around its axis and also the sun at the middle. Which is the natural satellite of the earth? Moon is the natural satellite of the earth because it is revolving around the earth. Okay, here you have some celestial bodies and important characteristics. Meteoroids, it is, as I said, it is a small rocky metallic component, and they are also look like a stars from the very far places, but they are not stars and they do not have any shapes. They are irregular shapes and they are smaller than the asteroids. Asteroids are also irregularly shaped, but they are very big stars. Comets, they are the stars, they are the short stars, and they are the icy bodies in the space, and they will be having more speed and they move in a more speed. Thank you. I hope you have understood it.